Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about a cubic measure, how to find the volume or how to measure a cubic. Okay, how to measure a cubic with different prism. Okay, so first of all we have to describe and use cubic measures: volume, unit cube, and the centimeter, inch, millimeter, meter, foot, yard, etc. Okay, so we can measure cubic by using any unit, depends on the question. If the question asks me about centimeter, I have to find the volume of centimeter, feet, or yard, etc. So first of all, we have to know what is a volume. A volume of a solid figure is measure of the amount of space it contains. Volume is measured in cubic units. One cubic unit is the volume of a cube with an edge length of 1 unit, called a unit cube. So the number of unit cubes that fills the solid figure without any gaps or overlaps is the volume of figure in cubic units. So look at this figure. This figure represents a cube that measures 1 centimeter on each edge. Its volume is 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter. So the volume formula, I have to say, the volume formula is length times width times height to get a volume. So here look at the height is 1 centimeter and the length is 1 centimeter and the width is 1 centimeter. So when I multiply 1 by 1 by 1, I will get 1. But 1 what? 1 in cubic centimeter. 1 centimeter cube or 1 cubic centimeter. Okay? So here it's the same. Look at this cube. This cube is 1 inch height, 1 inch length, 1 inch width. So when I multiply them, it's 1 cubic inch or 1 inch cube. Okay? So to represent a volume, we have to say cubic inch, here cubic centimeter. Is that clear? So again, if I want to show a volume, I have to use this number. It's called cubic. Cubic what? Unit cube. Maybe it's centimeter, maybe it's meter, maybe it's foot or yard, or something like that. Okay? So to find the cubic measure or volume of a figure, count the unit cubes. Here we want to count the unit cubes. Or in next lesson, I am going to explain the formula. Volume formula. Volume formula, it's length by width by height. If the figure in centimeter or in feet or in yard, okay? And the figure didn't show any cubes. But here in this lesson, I am going to count how many cubes do I have. Okay, so look here, the volume of its figure is 4 millimeter cube. Each one is 1 cubic millimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will count them. That means here I have in total 4 cubic millimeter or 4 millimeter cube. Here again centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 4 centimeter cube. Okay. Now 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube hold 1 millimeter. That means 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cube. This is the first information. Okay, so of water which has a mass of 1 gram. It's 1 gram. This is what? Volume, and 1 gram, it's a mass. Okay, so 1 milliliter volume of water or liquid, 1 centimeter cubed, it's equal to the volume, and the mass is 1 gram. So 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed and 1 gram. Similarly, 1 cubic decimeter, 1 cubic decimeter hold 1 liter of water which has a mass of 1 kilogram. Is 1 kilogram. Okay, 1 milliliter is 1 centimeter cubed or cubic centimeter is equal to 1 gram, and 1 decimeter cubed is 1 liter and 1 kilogram. That means each liter is 1 kilogram, each 1 centimeter cubed is 1 gram. So other metric cubic measures include cubic millimeters, mm cubed, and cubic meters, m cubed, with customary cubic measures include cubic feet, ft cubed, and cubic yards, yard cubed. Okay? Now let's go to the practice. Look here, I told you before, we will only count the cubes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have 6 cubic centimeter. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubic millimeter because each one holds 1 cubic millimeter. Look here, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first layer and 4 in the second one. That means I have in total 8 cubic inches. Here I have only one layer. I will count only the cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here I have 15 cubic feet. Okay, now look at question number 5. Look here, I have one missing, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have only 8 cubic feet. Look here, how many layers do you have, or how many rows? Here you have 3 rows or 3 layers. 6 each layer can hold, or each layer holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes, 6 and 6 and 6, all of them the same. That means here I have 18 cubic decimeter. And here I have 2 rows or 2 layers. Inside each one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10, and here we have 10. That means in total we have 20 cubic feet. Okay? Look here. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many rows I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can multiply 9 by 4 rows or 5 layers. That means you have 36 cubic meter. Look here, I have 1, 2, 3 layers. Inside each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. That means I have 18, and I have 2 more here. I have to add them, so the answer becomes 20 cubic yards. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 up alone. That means I have 9 cubic centimeter. Okay? Now copy and complete the table. Write the equivalent measures. Write the equivalent measure. So here we have to write the equivalent. I told you before, let me copy this one. Let me put it down. Now look here. I told you each one cubic decimeter, it's what? 1 liter. This is what? Water. Liter or centimeter cube. Mass of water, gram or kilogram. Cubic measures, milli or deci. Okay, so I have 5 cubic decimeter. That means 5 liters, and mass of water 5 kilogram. Okay, 5 milli is what? 5 centimeter cube. 5 centimeter cubed, or 5 cubic centimeter. 5 cubic centimeters, that means 5 gram. That means 5 gram because each 1 milli is 1 centi. I have 5 milli, that means 5 cubic centi. 5 cubic centi, that means 5 gram. Okay? And here, number 13, I have 8.4 kilogram. That means 8.4 liter. and that means 8.4 cubic decimeter, right? And the last one, 4,000 cubic centimeter. Look, 4,000 cubic centimeter. That means I can say 4,000 milli, and I can say 5 for liter, because each 1 liter has 1,000 milliliter. Okay, don't forget this one. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay, each 1 liter has 1,000 milliliter. Okay, and I can say 4,000 gram, look, or 4 kilogram. Now, each 1 kilogram is 1,000 gram. That means 1 kilogram has 1,000 gram. You have to keep these informations in your mind, okay? Now problem solving, find the cubic measures. First one, I can say capacity here 20 liters, and here capacity 5 milli, and here the capacity is 1,893 liters. I can say, look, cubic measures. Cubic measures, I will use deci or centi or deci, okay? Cubic decimeter or cubic centimeter. So here I have 20 liters. That means I have in cubic measure 20 cubic decimeter, and here I have 5 cubic centimeter, because milli here I have liter. Here I have liter, I can say 1,893 cubic decimeter. Okay? Because it's talking about cubic measure. Cubic measure. Okay? But 20 liter and 5 milliliter and 1,893 liter is talking about what? Capacity. Talking about capacity. Okay? See you next video.